Hello, CA families. It has been so good to see your students back on our campus, breathing life into the property at Ayers Road. We are anticipating a fantastic school year as it is already off to a great start. I want to talk to you a little bit about the platforms that we will employ should we have to be engaged in virtual education. The first platform that I want to talk about is Parents Web. You can find this app in your app store, as well as the Covenant Academy app. You log in with the username and password that you've already used when you re-enrolled in school or matriculated for the first time. Parents Web is a great tool. Parents Web is the place where your teachers will be posting all of the work that they do during the school day and the expectations of the student at home with their homework. This will be the primary means that you have to know what your student should be studying in the case that we go virtual. It's a good tool to use throughout the school year anyway, because this is where you can find what homework has been assigned for the day. So Parents Web is our communication hub. This is where the teachers will be communicating with you the assignments and the work that your student needs to do. Now, the other platform is Microsoft Teams, and we're a little less familiar with that. Microsoft Teams, its primary purpose will be for teachers to give instructional videos, to hand you extra resources like handouts in class, as well as a place for your student to submit their work. First thing I want you to do is to go to office.com. Your student has been emailed by Ms. Otella a username and a preliminary password. Use that username and password to log in to your office.com account. Once you do, you'll be prompted to change your password to something that's unique to your child. And I'd encourage you to go ahead and do that now. Once you log in, you will see that you have access to almost the entire Microsoft Office suite, including Microsoft Teams. Now, before we move further on the website, there are two apps that you need to download to your device, your smart device or your tablet, that will become very, very useful for you for turning in homework and turning in assignments. That app is Microsoft Teams, and the second is Microsoft OneDrive. If you will go ahead and pause this video and download those now. Once you've downloaded it, you will be prompted to sign in with your username and password. This is the same username and password that you have logged into on office.com. Once you log into Microsoft Teams and then log into Microsoft OneDrive, we'll be in a position to move forward in seeing how we're going to access videos as well as turn in assignments. Now, using your desktop or your laptop or your smart device, depending on which you're more comfortable with, go to Microsoft Teams. Make sure you click on the icon on the left-hand side that says Teams. This will pull up all the classes that your child is enrolled in. A typical pattern will be for 5th grade, 05 Math, 05 Science, 05 English, and etc. This is where you will find the assignments and videos and resources unique to that subject. Another helpful icon, also on the left-hand side in the blue bar, if you're on a computer, or this is in the More option at the bottom of your smart device, is Assignments. When you click on Assignments, you will see all the classes that your student is enrolled in. Select a class, and then you will see the assignments that have been assigned to that class. Once you click on an assignment that is due that night, or maybe they did in class that day, you'll see instructions from your teachers, and then you will see a little icon that says Add Work. This is where your student will submit their work. If you click on Add Work on your desktop, or you touch Add Work on your smart device, you will see at the very bottom of that pop-up menu an option that says Upload from this device. On a desktop or a laptop, This will access your file management system. On Apple products, this will allow you to pull up your camera, and you can take a picture of your child's work and attach it to your assignment and turn it in. Once you successfully have turned it in, most of the time you get a cute little animation that lets you know that your assignment has been successfully submitted. Now, on an Android device, you do not get the option to access your camera. Instead, you'll get to access files that are saved on your device. So depending on the platform that you use, there is a slight variation in the process. So on a smart device, if you click Upload from this device, and then tell it to take a photo or video from the device, it will pull up your camera within the app. If you will hold your camera directly above your work, make sure that the work fills the screen and that everything is very clear. Once you take a picture of that, it will give you the option to use this photo. If you click yes to use that photo, it will take you back to your assignment page, at which point in the upper right-hand corner you will see a purple dialog box that says Turn In. Once you've done those simple steps, you have successfully turned in your assignment. This is the basic process for turning in all assignments. Now, teachers will also post videos and extra resources for you, and this will happen in your team. So on the app, Teams is an icon at the bottom. And on the desktop, Teams can be found on the left-hand side in the purple menu. If you'll click on that, you'll see all the teams that your student is enrolled in, or all the subjects that your student has and for their grade level. When you click on that subject, you will see channels underneath it that are in light print. And this is just the way that the teachers are going to organize their material. For some subjects, the teacher may organize it by the week, or it might be by the unit or the chapter that they're working on. The general channel is where general announcements about your class will be made. The specific channels below that will have content that is specific to that week or that unit's instruction. So for instance, if I was in math, I was in 05 math, and I had a general channel, perhaps the teachers have given some general announcements about the class, and then under the week 1, I will just see content that is about the week 1's assignments. This is where your teachers will post their instructional videos. There may be extra resources or links to YouTube videos that help instruct a little bit better. So, to kind of summarize the two-platform system that we're using, Parents Web is where you will find a summary of all that was done in class and what's expected to be done at home. Teams is where teachers will post videos of their active teaching to the class, helpful resources, as well as post the assignments that they want to receive back from your student. We will also have available for you a document which will have step-by-step instructions on how to find the videos in Teams, how to find the assignments, and how to submit them. If after watching the video and after following the instructions, you still have questions, please don't hesitate to reach out. I would be glad to help you answer your questions. Once again, it's been a great start to the school year, and I anticipate nothing but greatness in the days ahead. I hope you and your family stay safe. God bless.